Today I'm going to be making a video on how to do a rotisserie chicken using my dry rub. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. The recipes and my social media links are in the description below. On to the recipe. For my dry rub, we're going to have 2 tablespoons paprika, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1½ teaspoons onion powder, ½ teaspoon black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, and we're going to need a chicken, butter, and twine. And I'll show you how to truss the chicken for putting it on a rotisserie. On to the recipe. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to pin back the rings without using the kitchen twine. Just grab it like this. See this tip? You're going to put it behind its shoulder. See how it stays like that? I'm going to do the other wing like that too. First thing we're going to do is secure the legs. I'm going to first tie it onto this one so we know he's really tied good. And then we're going to take this one and go around here like that, and then wrap them both around and around and around, and then we'll tie it in a knot. Make sure it's tied in a knot. Gotta get my stringy. Cut a little bit too short on that side, but I make it work. See, I made it work. That's what mine looks like tied up. Now we're going to season it. I will brush the back side with butter. You can see how the rings are in back. And then I put my rub on the back. After I get my butter on it, I make sure I get the side of the breast too. Lift up the ring. And get that. I do the neck too area. And when I flip him over, I'll get the rest of him. But before we flip him over, we gotta put the rub on him. And you can season them heavily, because you want them properly seasoned. You want to make sure he gets good and seasoned. Now we can flip them over and butter this side. And put the spices on too. It's not hard to do that. And you can use that spice on turkey too if you want to do your turkeys like that. Now, when you do your turkeys and your chicken, make sure you check the cavity for any innards. And the neck cavity too, because they could have innards in there too. Because you don't want to leave the innards in it. Sometimes it's in a plastic bag. Sometimes it's not. But you want to make sure you get them out. Because you don't want anything embarrassing to happen if you have a big family doing and you didn't know it was there. Because that can happen easy. Now we season this side now. Then I'll put it on my rotisserie. I'll show you how you get it in the rotisserie. I want to make sure it's plenty of seasoning. That's one thing about cooking. You have to have it seasoned well. Because otherwise the flavor ain't going to be there. Yeah, and I thought I made too much of the seasoning. I really didn't. And we can always put some right there. Now I'll get it on my spit. I'm going to shove the spit in there. Get the spit in there all the way in. And he's going to come out this end. And then we'll put this on here. Now while he's on here, I'll squirt him back some. There we go. Yeah. I got some of the spice. Make sure he got some on his legs. Because you want to make sure the spice is good. Okay. Now, I'll put this over on top of my stove. And I'll clean this up. And then I'll preheat the rotisserie. Mine doesn't have a temperature. You go by the time. Yes, mine is a very old one. Now that it's preheated, I'll be putting on the chicken. And I will be timing it for at least an hour and a half. Now I'll turn the rotation on too once I get it in here. I was making sure I had it on an hour and a half. In case you're wondering why it looks streaky, I cleaned it with oven cleaner. So I don't know if I was supposed to use oven cleaner or not, but it's clean. So now it's going. For a minute there, you thought you was on the wrong channel. Linda, no garlic. Am I on the right channel? Yeah, you're on the right channel. I just didn't mention it in the intro. And you do have to salt and pepper the cavity. Plus it already kicked out the garlic. This is what he looks like done. Please subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for watching.